Good morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
So, student, what we have learned yesterday in class,
We have learned about circle and its component.
which are they?
Radius, diameter, chord and circumference.
Okay, what is circle?
It is a figure which have no corners and at equal distance from a single point.
Okay, so what is the circumference of the circle?
C is equal to 2 pi r and C is equal to pi d.
What is a half circle called?
A semicircle.
So, student, just see on the left side of the blackboard. Do you know what it is?
It is a circle.
Yes, it is a circle, but what can you observe here?
We can observe that here the center of the circle is O.
Yes, along with that, what you can see?
We can see 2 points on the circumference of the circle.
Yeah, do you know what it is called?
No, teacher.
So, student, today we are going to learn about the arc of the circle. So, student, please define what is circle first.
A circle is figured whose boundaries has point at equal distance from the fixed point.
State the formula of circumference of a circle.
C is equal to 2 pi r.
And there is one more.
C is equal to pi d.
Okay, so here mostly all of you knows the formula, right? So now we will solve one example. So if the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. First we will write what is given. So we know that the circumference of the circle is 176 centimeter, and then we will write C is equal to 2 pi r, that is formula. Now we will start adding the value in this formula. So C is 176 is equal to 2 pi and r. Then by using the simple mathematics formula we will solve this. Then we will get r is equal to 176 upon 2 into pi. Here we put the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7. So here r is equal to 8 into 7. R is equal to 56 centimeter. So we found out that here the radius is 56 centimeter. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Students, can you see this circle here?
Yes.
A chord AB divides the circle into two equal parts, right?
No, ma'am, not in equal parts, but it divides the circle in 2 parts.
Okay, what you can observe here in this figure?
Which divides the circle in 2 parts. Okay, that is called AB. And here AXB and AYB is also there. And AYB is small arc and AXB is the bigger arc.
This part is called arc, and the bigger arc is,
AXB,
and the smaller arc is.
AYB arc.
Okay, good. Now see this, what you can observe here.
Here RT is the diameter as it passes through the center.
Yes, and it also divides the circle in two parts, right?
Yes, RYT arc and RXT arc.
Okay, very good. So what is the half part of the circle called?
A semicircle.
Yes. So what will be this arc called?
Arc RTY and AXT and RXT are semicircle here. Arc RYT and arc RXY.
Okay, good. Now from this circle, can you spot the minor arc here?
The minor arc is arc AZB.
Yes, what is the angle forming with the arc AZB and angle AOB?
The angle AOB is forming here and this is called the central angle.
Yes, now state what is the full measure of a circle.
The measure of the circle is 360 degree.
Now see this figure. Name the major arc that is formed in this figure.
Major arc is arc AXQ and the minor arc is arc AYQ.
Okay, what is the measure of the minor arc here?
The minor arc is AXQ and its measure is 70 degree.
With reference to the measure of a complete circle and the minor arc, calculate the measure of the major arc. Okay, so we know the measure of the circle, that is 360 degree, and here the minor arc is 70 degree. So what we will do, we will minus the measure of the circle minus minor arc. Okay, so the measure of the circle is 360 degree and the minor arc is 70 degree. So we will minus 360 minus 70. Okay, so we will get the answer, that is 290 degree. Understood everyone?
Yay!
Okay, so you know the half circle is called semicircle, right? So the measure of a circle is 360 degree. Then what will be the measure of a semicircle?
Half of the measure of full circle.
Yes. So what is the half of 360 degree?
180 degree.
Yes, good. So can you guess the measure of a semicircle arc here shown?
Here the minor arc are PXQ and major arc is RYQ, QRX, PQR, RQY and XQP. And semicircle arc are QPR and QQ.
Yes, so student, hope you all have understood this topic. So let me take a short recapitulation on what we have studied today. So firstly, we revised the components of circle that we have studied in the last lecture. They are chord, radius and diameter. After that, we studied that what is a arc of the circle, right? So now let me take a short question on which you can revise what you have learned in this class. Identify the arc present in the given figure and state the measure. So here we can see that the arc present here are AXB and AYB. They are semicircle arc and their measure is 360 degree. Okay, so if we have to find one measure of one arc, so what we will do is we will divide 360 by 2 and that is how we will get the answer 180. That is the measure of a semicircle arc. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now I am going to give you evaluation. You have to solve this. See on the blackboard everyone.